workshop. Long time no see, guys. It's been a while since I update my new videos. So how have you been, guys? And a lot happened to me. I've been focusing on updating my new workshop. So today I'm going to give you a tour of my new workshop. So let's go. Now I have two coffee machines. I added a new machine. This is a classic Llama Circle linear mini. This size is designed for commercial setup. And this size is designed for home use. This is a single dose grinder machine from Niche. And this is from Mechanic 854. As you can see, this is the place where I interact with my student during class. Here is a display shelf. This is the my own jug, JuNNie jug, and one of my favorite cups from ᴊᴜ₼ This shelf is all about filter coffee kits. And some other accessories. Alright, now I'm going to show you how I organize my coffee tubes. With these drawers, coffee gears. Keep my cups and saucers in some place in these drawers. These are all the jugs that I have. To make it nice and clean, I drew a hole to fit my notebox. And I use this bin from IKEA and catch my coffee beans ground. These drawers, I keep my additional stock. I usually keep my beans in the fridge. These drawers, I keep glasses or small espresso cups, some cutlery. So I kept all of the filter coffee tubes in these drawers. And this drawer just a generous stuff. Usually I sit here to edit my work with a cup of coffee. What about we make one coffee today then? Let's go!
Oh boy.
Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's...
So delicious. Okay guys, thanks for watching. More videos will come, so please stay tuned.